Hi everyone, welcome to Career Talk. In this video, we are going to talk about office politics. And when this word comes, the politics word comes in office, a lot of times we get certain names in our mind that, oh, this person in my office actually plays a lot of politics, or that person in my previous office used to play a lot of politics. If you have come across such people, just pause this video, go to the comment section, subscribe to the channel, and in the comment section do write the name of that person who used to play a lot of politics and also a little bit on what kind of politics they used to play. That will help the viewers understand the kind of people you have dealt with. Just mention the first name, no need to mention the full name. Now, why do people play politics? People play politics in office to gain power or to gain control. And with power comes authority, with power comes a lot of money and a lot of other aspects in terms of growth, etc. So that is why people do it. Now, what are the ways in which people do politics? A little things that they do at your workplace which you need to be careful about. One is information exchange. They are very picky and choosy about sharing information. They keep a lot of information with them. They share very little information with you or with the right stakeholders at the right time. Number two is people who extract a lot of information out of you, but they don't tell you where they're going to use it and they use it for their own benefit. Number three is people who actually take your credit. They get the work done from you, but they don't even tell the seniors or to the client or to stakeholders about who has done the work. They consume all the credit on their own. So these are some examples of how people play politics in office in small things. But when these small things happen a lot of times, what we need to do is we need to observe a pattern. So take a pause and think, have you seen such a pattern with somebody who is repeatedly doing such things and not even understanding that it is not right? If you observe somebody who is just taking or extracting information from you, using it somewhere but not telling you what was the purpose, then you need to actually observe a pattern. And if you find a pattern, give them some feedback that, hey, I need to know where is this information going, how are you going to use it? If even after giving the feedback they are not improving, then you have all the rights to tell it to your supervisor or to the second up manager or to the HR, etc. But when you go to your supervisor or to HR, don't tell that somebody is playing politics with you. Use that term as less as possible, but try to explain the situation with specific examples of what happened. And don't do things if these are just one or two incidents. Observe a pattern, as I said. So if you are working with such people in office, there are high chances that you get frustrated because it sucks up a lot of energy in things which are actually not related to work. So here are 5 things which I'm telling you should do at your workplace. In the long run, it will definitely benefit you. Number 1, stay connected with all the people. Stay connected with all the people means you should have good informal relationship with all the team members, all the managers, all the stakeholders, all the clients, all the support functions. And when I'm saying good relationship, you should have a personal rapport with them so that they feel comfortable to share information with you. Number 2, genuinely care for people. When somebody comes to you with certain work, genuinely try to help them. If you try to help them, they will get connected and in future they will be happy to share information. And remember, information is the key. Whoever has the most information is the most influential person in the office. Number 3, get into the habit of picking up the phone and talking to people. Don't rely on emails, don't rely on messengers. Get into the habit of calling up people every week so that you know what's happening at their end and they get to know what's happening at your end. When you talk to people on phone, there are high chances that they will reveal a lot of more information than what you think they know. Number 4, stay away from controversies. There will be a lot of gossip, there will be a lot of controversy happening at your workplace. Try to avoid getting into it. Try to avoid sharing opinions and views about it in public. Reserve those comments with yourself because you have no idea that if you share your opinion or views, who is going to listen to them and in what form and shape they are going to share it with others. And number 5, be aware of your competitors. You should know who are your competitors. For example, if you want to get promoted next year and you know there are 2-3 other people in your department or in your group who are looking to get promoted as well, then they are your competitors in a healthy way. So all of them, including you, will be trying to put certain efforts to get that promotion. So this is where being connected internally helps. This is where getting visibility helps. This is where knowing people helps. This is where knowing the processes helps. And if you think forward, you should always identify what kind of panel discussion or interviews or written tests or certifications are required to get to that promotion. And you should start preparing ahead of time. You should start to build your network. You should try to create a rapport in front of the possible stakeholders so that when the time comes, you are having a better visibility than your competitors. So this is how you can actually compete in a healthy way, but at the same time use resources to the best way possible. All right, that's what I wanted to share in this video. If you have had similar political experiences in your office, do let me know in comments. I'll be happy to read those comments and reply if I have any suggestions. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already, and please share this video in your network so that it reaches to the right people, especially in your WhatsApp and Telegram groups. All right, I'll see you in another video day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye for now.